Lucky for you, what happens in Vegas doesn't always stay in Vegas. At this year's NADA show, Rotary showcased its next generation of equipment solutions, designed to help dealerships stay on top of the evolution of automotive repair, while boosting production and profits. Like the SP0810AV two-post lift, featuring Rotary's new patent-pending all-vehicle lift arms that do just that, lifting all vehicles under 10,000 pounds with the industry's lowest adapter height. And with our new LT35A air hydraulic lift table, techs can easily service heavy components like EV batteries, plus pair it with the RT30 repair table for even more space. With a wider stance and obstruction-free design, Rotary's wide Smart Lift is the smart and easy way for shops to service EVs, exotics, and standard vehicles with 48% more undercar clearance. Speed up tire mounting and demounting with the R1200 leverless tire changer. It's purpose-built to eliminate physically demanding tasks while keeping wheels safe from damage. Recharge your shop this AC season with our new R3 AC Series AC carts that automatically recovers, recycles, and recharges refrigerant to offer the fastest gas changeover in the industry. Shift wheel balancing into the fast lane with the R155 Pro 3D to get accurate readings and perfectly balanced tires with just a 6-second cycle time. Perform alignments in any bay, at any height, with Rotary's R1090 Pro, designed to maximize shop space and perform accurate alignments wherever you need to get the job done. And with the largest 4-wheel alignment wheelbase range in its class size, the XA12 alignment scissor lift maximizes space in even the smallest bay. To see more and learn how Rotary is serving the shop and preparing dealerships for the future of automotive repair, visit RotarySolutions.com.